in standard tuning and without a capo for this one. We're going to start off with a C bar chord, first finger, 3rd fret of the A, and a 3rd finger bar on the 5th fret of the D, G and B. And we're going to strum up, down, up, rest, take the pressure off there, up, down, and then we'll strum muted hits, down, up, down, up, down, up. So. To get the muted sound, we're just releasing the pressure on the left hand and strumming as normal. We're then going to move the shape down a string set to the 3rd fret on the D string and the 5th fret on the G, B and high E strings. This is an F major 7 chord, and we're going to do exactly the same. Up, down, mute, 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 mute. So you have the C. And the F major 7. Then I'm going to go to a D minor 7 chord, which is a first finger bar on the 5th fret from the A string down. And we've got the 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the D and the 2nd finger on the 6th fret of the G string. And we're going to strum down, down, up, down. Add the pinky finger to the 8th fret of the high E string. Up, down, up. Take it back off, up, down. Then we'll move this up 2 frets, exactly the same shape. This is an E minor 7 chord, exactly the same strumming. And this time we're adding the pinky finger to the 10th fret of the high E string. Then we go back to the C chord, F major 7 chord, and continue playing on through that kind of progression. So the whole intro is that C chord, then back into the same progression, but now it's the verse. So the verse has exactly the same chord progression as the intro. For the pre-chorus, we start off in exactly the same way with the C chord, down, up, down, mute, 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 to the F major 7, mute, 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 D minor 7, with the pinky finger added on the 8th fret. So for the E minor change, we're going to strum down, down, up, down, pinky finger, down, down, up, down, pinky, up, down, up. And then instead of kind of taking the finger off and going back to the E minor 7, we're actually going to drop down a fret to like an E flat minor 7 or a D sharp minor 7. Strum this once as we transition back to that D minor 7 chord, and we'll strum down, down, up, down, up. Add in the pinky finger there on the 2nd up strum, sorry, the 1st up strum. Down, down, up, down. So the whole pre-chorus so far is that C chord, F major 7, D minor 7. As normal to the E minor 7, change here. Then to the D minor, and we're going to strum down, down, up, down, up, with the pinky finger added there on the up strums and the kind of and 4 and. So 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and. Then to a G chord, down, down, up, down, up. Then to a C chord, 1, 2, 3 and. Then a weird chord, an E7 chord. This is a first finger bar on the 7th fret, 3rd finger 9th fret the D, and pinky finger 9th fret the B string. And we're going to strum up, down. So C, down, 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 up, down. Then we'll go back to the D minor 7 chord. Same strumming as the kind of alternative variation. Back to the G chord. Same strumming again, down, down, up, down, up. C bar chord, down, 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 up. E7 again, up, down. And the last 2 chords in the pre-chorus are D minor 7 for 2 bars, E minor 7 for 2 bars. This time we're not going to add the pinky finger on, it's just down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Moving, same strumming, and then into the chorus. So the whole pre-chorus slowly. chorus. For the chorus, we have a C bar chord, down, down, up, down, up, to the G bar chord, down, up, down, up, A minor bar chord, first finger bar on the 5th fret, third finger on the 7th fret to A, pinky finger 7th fret to D, same strumming, down, down, up, down, up, and to an F bar chord, which is the same as the G bar chord, just down here at the 1st fret, and we got down, down, up, down, up, so C, down, up, down, G, A minor, F. This is played 4 times. In the chorus. Straight after the chorus, we go to a little 4-bar link section. 2 bars of D minor, 2 bars of E minor, and it is down, 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 down. For the mid 8 section at 2 minutes and 30, there is a little strum down on a C major bar chord at the 8th fret here, 8, 10, 10, 9, 8, 8. And we're going to strum 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, moving down a single fret to a B bar chord for 2 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go to an A minor bar chord, but have a little picking pattern. We'll strum E and A twice. And pick G, D, A, D. Move down to a G bar chord, same picking, and then an F with exactly the same picking, twice this time. So we've got the A minor, G, F, and that's played on repeat. The kind of 3rd and 4th time through, we're going to swap to strums. We've got the A minor, down, down, up, down, up, G, up, down, up, F, down, down, up, down, up. 4th time through is the same to start with. A minor, down, down, up, down, up, G. And then for the F it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, rest. So we've got A minor, G, F, A minor, G,